unogona kutonge uri Irombe iwe uine mari. Musiyano wemurombo neRombe uri pazvinhu zviviri. Murombo munhu asina mari, Rombe munhu asingazive zvinhu zvakakosha. When your value system is skewed, unenge uri Rombe. Kureva kuti even mari ukaibata haunyatsoziva value yayo, zvekuti unogona kuita zvinhu zvinoshamisa vanhu nemari. Saka munhu asingazive kukosha kwezvinhu Irombe, kunyange zvinhu zvacho ainazvo akasaziva ukoshi hwazvo Irombe. So I will give you an example of Rombe. One of marombe ari padhuze anoya mumusoro mangu ndiWicknel Chivayo. Irombe is a typical example of a person in whose hands is money which he doesn't know its value. But of course that money is not his. He has no business that can give him money to buy cars for everyone. But I will give you an example of why I said he's a vagabond. Think about what he could do with just $2 million if he had decided to build a hospital just for a local district, say in Glenview or in Chitungwiza. You buy a car worth 200,000 for a person who has nowhere to stay, who is a tenant in a flat. Notengera munhu asina pekugara motikari 150,000. Munhu iyeye oto kuti maita basa, otobuda nemota achidriver. Inoserviswa mari motikari 100. What is the cost of maintenance? What people teach in financial literacy classes, they will tell you that when we have enough money to buy a car, that's not the reason to buy the car. You need to understand the cost of maintenance. All right? The cost of maintenance will tell you, I can't afford this car, even when the money is in your hands to buy it. People who are receiving those cars, they are betraying their own souls. They will realize it later. They are selling their souls to the devil by receiving those cars. But I will tell you another example of Irombe. We are seeing people who looked like very respectable people in the society recording themselves on social media and asking him for a donation of a car. My advice to women is that if the man who begged a car from Wicknel Chivayo is your husband, you are a widow.